I woke up at 6:30 and got up out of bed. I had a shower and thought of the day ahead. Then I made my breakfast. It was toast and tea. When I left home, it was 7:30. I caught the bus to work. I went by car. I rode my bike, but it was a little too far. I got to work at 8:30. I had lunch from 1 to 2. I left work at 6 in the evening. There was a lot to do. When I got home, I read the newspaper and watched TV. At 7:15 I had my dinner. I was very hungry. After dinner I walked the dog. We went to the park. I let it off its lead and it ran around in the dark. When I got home, I watched more TV and then I listened to some music on the stereo until I was sleepy.